Horses have been our loyal companions for centuries, racing across battlefields, plowing farms, and even patrolling busy city streets. Have you ever wondered what life is like for these incredible animals? From their strong herd bonds to specialized training and even high-tech medical care, there's so much to explore. Stick around as we uncover the fascinating world of horses and their amazing connection with humans. Did you know horses have been with us for over 6,000 years? In the wild, a dominant mare rather than a stallion. The lead mare leads the herd, deciding when and where to move, while the stallion protects the group. Each horse knows its rank, keeping conflicts low. Did you know horses' teeth never stop growing? If left unchecked, they can develop sharp edges that make eating painful. That's why horse dentists, called equine dentists, regularly file down their teeth to prevent discomfort and chewing problems. Most horses live 25 to 30 years, but some last much longer. The oldest recorded horse, Old Billy, from England, lived an incredible 62 years from 1760. Horses are social animals that thrive in herds. In the wild, they form strong bonds, and on farms, they need space to roam and interact. A well-planned horse farm provides large pastures for movement, sheltered stables for comfort, and a safe environment free from hazards. Inside the stable, proper ventilation, soft bedding, and clean stalls keep them comfortable. Some farms even allow horses to stay in groups rather than individual stalls, keeping their natural herd behavior intact. Did you know a mare carries her foal for about 11 months? That's almost a full year of pregnancy. When the foal is born, it can stand within an hour and walk within a day. Pretty amazing, right? But even though foals are strong, they still need special care. In the first months, they rely on their mother's milk, and farmers monitor them closely to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Taking care of a horse's health is serious business, and modern technology has made it easier than ever. Vets use ultrasound, X-ray machines, and other medical tools to check for injuries, monitor pregnancies, and detect any hidden health issues. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and deworming keep horses in top condition. Just like humans, they need proper medical care to live long, active lives. Horses have big appetites. Their diet mainly consists of grass, hay, grains, and sometimes special supplements for extra nutrition. Each horse eats about 2% of its body weight in food daily. That's a lot of hay. Water is just as important. A healthy adult horse drinks up to 50 liters of water per day to stay hydrated and maintain its strength. Horses' hooves are like our shoes. They need regular care. Farriers trim and fit horseshoes every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent cracks, discomfort, and injuries, keeping them healthy and moving smoothly. Horses love a good spa day. Regular bathing, brushing, and coat care keep them clean and free from dirt or parasites. Grooming isn't just about looking good, it's essential for their health. Brushing also helps improve circulation and muscle relaxation, keeping horses feeling their best. In some cultures, horse meat is considered a delicacy, valued for its lean texture and rich nutritional benefits. The horse meat processing starts with scalding and shaving the hair using hot water and a blade. The carcass is then washed and singed over fire to clean the skin. After that, the meat is carefully butchered into cuts and sold at markets. Did you know that in many cities, police still rely on horses for patrols and public safety? Both the horses and officers undergo intense training. Horses must stay calm in traffic. Officers train for months, mastering riding, horse communication, and emergency response. Just like athletes, horses need regular training to stay in peak condition. Trainers use a combination of running, jumping, and endurance exercises to build their strength. Horse racing is an electrifying sport that showcases speed, strategy, and the deep bond between horse and rider. Trained for power and endurance, race horses can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. In addition, horse's hide is processed into high-quality leather, which is used for making saddles, shoes, and other durable goods. Plus, horses still play a role in farming and tourism. Some farms use them for plowing and transport. In cities like New York and Vienna, horse-drawn carriages offer visitors a nostalgic and scenic experience. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time. Welcome to the age of precision livestock farming, where machines can identify each animal by RFID, deliver nutrients down to the gram, and save over 1,000 labor hours per month on large farms. From 400-plus cows milked per hour to automatic milk feeders cutting calf mortality in half. The numbers don't lie. Technology is revolutionizing animal care. Let's take a look at how it works. Modern milking isn't just about getting milk, it's about comfort, hygiene, and high-tech precision. Cows are first led into the milking area, where their bodies and teats are cleaned thoroughly to ensure hygiene and prevent infection. There are two main milking systems: rotary milking systems and traditional parlors. In rotary systems, cows stand on a slow-moving circular platform. These machines can milk over 400 cows per hour, making them ideal for large farms. Built-in RFID readers scan each cow's ID to track milk yield and health in real time. Some systems also provide feed during milking to keep cows relaxed and boost output. In traditional parlors, cows line up in rows while machines are attached manually. Though slower, these setups still use modern vacuum systems to ensure safe, efficient milking, usually 2 to 3 times a day per cow. Milking takes around 8 minutes total, with 5 to 6 minutes of actual milk flow. Each cow typically produces 25 to 35 liters of milk per day, and high-yield breeds like Holsteins can produce up to 50 liters. Once the milk flow drops, the system automatically detaches to avoid over-milking. Afterward, an iodine-based disinfectant is applied to the teats to kill bacteria and prevent mastitis. Then, each cow steps onto a scale to monitor its weight, ensuring overall well-being. Animal health care is no longer guesswork, it's high-tech. Modern veterinary machines like ultrasound, digital X-ray, and thermal imaging are now used to monitor the health of horses, cows, and even camels. These tools help detect injuries, monitor pregnancies, and catch diseases early, before symptoms even appear. Routine medical procedures such as vaccinations, deworming, and dental checks are also supported by automated tracking systems, ensuring no animal is left behind. With smart diagnostics and precision care, technology helps farm animals live longer, healthier, and more productive lives. Modern dairy farms rely on smart machines to clean, cool, and care. To ensure a soft and hygienic resting area, sand is ideal, as it prevents bacteria growth and keeps cows cool during hot weather. Advanced grooming machines keep cows happy by automatically brushing and massaging their bodies. High-tech barns feature large fans and misting systems, which automatically adjust based on temperature. Keeping a dairy farm clean is essential for cow health and sustainability. Farmers regularly clean barns, walkways, and milking areas to prevent bacteria buildup. Inside the barn, automated sanitation systems clean walkways and resting areas using recycled water. Smart water systems even rinse both the inside and outside of barns efficiently, reducing labor and water waste. Manure is processed into organic fertilizer for growing grass, while sand is separated, dried, and recycled for bedding. This system minimizes waste and supports sustainable agriculture. Sheep are sheared once a year, usually in late spring, to keep them cool during the summer. Did you know that a single sheep can produce up to 8 kilograms of wool per year? Skilled workers use professional shearing tools, such as electric shears or specialized scissors, to safely remove the fleece, without causing any harm to the sheep. Once the fleece is removed, it's inspected for impurities like dirt, grass, or unwanted fibers. The sheep are then carefully cared for to aid in the growth of new hair. What if I told you one machine could boost your farm's efficiency by over 30% just by feeding smarter? This isn't science fiction. It's modern agricultural reality. A high-performance feed mixer typically features a large container with rotating blades or shafts. As it runs, the machine chops and mixes ingredients into a uniform, easily digestible meal. Advanced systems even include precision weight sensors, measuring each ingredient to ensure strict nutritional accuracy. Each mature cow is usually fed 2 to 3 times a day about 25 kilograms of feed to optimize milk production and maintain long-term health. And when it comes to mink, where diet directly affects fur quality, specialized machines blend fish, meat byproducts, and supplements with surgical precision. Some models can process over 5 tons of feed per hour, tailored to every growth stage. Feeding milk to young livestock, especially calves, is not just nutrition, it's survival. Did you know that a calf receiving colostrum within the first 2 hours of life is 50% more likely to survive past weaning? Modern dairy farms now rely on automatic milk feeders, which replicate the natural nursing process with pinpoint accuracy. These machines deliver warm, precisely measured portions of milk or colostrum at regular intervals. With RFID tracking and real-time data, each calf gets exactly what it needs. The result? Healthier animals, faster growth rates, and labor savings of up to 60%. Goat kids, too, need colostrum within 6 hours. Today's feeders can serve up to 50 kids at once, adjusting portions to fit each one's needs. For centuries, pearl necklaces have symbolized timeless elegance. But how are these ocean-born treasures formed? Each pearl takes years to develop, starting with careful cultivation and the slow buildup of lustrous nacre, a perfect blend of nature and craftsmanship. This process holds many secrets. Join us as we explore the fascinating journey behind the world's most treasured pearls. Pearls are among the rarest and most captivating gems on Earth. In nature, only 1 in 10,000 oysters produces a perfect pearl, making them incredibly valuable. Pearls are nature's ocean-born treasures, glowing in shades of white, black, gold, pink, and blue, each a masterpiece shaped by time and the sea. Now let's dive into the fascinating process of pearl cultivation, where nature and human care work together to create these luminous treasures. Unlike wild oysters, farmed pearl oysters are carefully nurtured in indoor hatcheries under controlled conditions. They are fed nutrient-rich microalgae to ensure healthy growth and optimal pearl formation. This environment protects them from predators and harsh weather, allowing farmers to monitor their development closely. Selecting healthy oysters is crucial for cultivating high-quality pearls. Farmers carefully examine each oyster, choosing only those with strong shells, good genetics, and resilience to disease. Then, farmers carefully implant a tiny bead or tissue graft into the oyster's soft tissue, triggering it to secrete layers of nacre, the same shimmering substance that lines its shell. Over time, these layers build up, slowly transforming the irritant into a luminous pearl. Once oysters reach a certain size, they are transferred to the open sea, where the natural environment provides ideal conditions for pearl formation. The gentle ocean currents, stable salinity, and rich nutrients help them develop thicker, more lustrous nacre, resulting in high-quality pearls with exceptional brilliance. The pearl harvesting process begins when oysters reach 2 to 4 years of age. This is a crucial moment, as the quality and beauty of the pearls depend on the careful extraction process. After harvesting, the oyster's soft tissue is carefully removed. The tissue is then ground and sifted to extract any hidden pearls. Meanwhile, the leftover oyster meat doesn't go to waste. It can be frozen and used as nutrient-rich feed for fish. The pearls undergo a final cleansing process, removing any remaining residue and bringing out their natural brilliance. After harvesting, experts carefully evaluate each pearl's size, shape, and radiant luster, meticulously sorting them by quality. Only the most flawless and luminous pearls earn their place in high-end jewelry collections. The pearls then go through the crafting process based on their designated design. Skilled artisans carefully drill precise holes into the pearls, ensuring their integrity while preparing them for jewelry. Some are expertly strung into elegant necklaces and bracelets, while others are set into rings, earrings, or even luxurious crowns. Each piece is crafted with precision, allowing the pearls to retain their natural beauty while harmonizing with the finest metals and gemstones. Once completed, these exquisite pearl creations are delicately packaged, ready to be admired and cherished. Finally, the pearls make their way to jewelry stores around the world, where they captivate collectors and fashion lovers alike. A single strand can take years to perfect, as jewelers carefully match pearls by size, color, and luster. With the industry thriving, pearls remain a timeless treasure. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of pearls. See you next time. Did you know a single jumbo squid can grow up to 2 meters long and weigh 50 kilograms in just 2 years? These giants roam the deep ocean in massive schools, hunting through the night. But tonight, they're the ones being hunted. Join us as we explore the daring world of jumbo squid fishing. Jumbo squids are true night hunters, traveling in massive schools to hunt more effectively. But when food gets scarce, they can turn aggressive, even eating each other. They grow incredibly fast, reaching up to 2 meters long and weighing as much as 50 kilograms. Jumbo squid, also known as Humboldt squid, are typically found in deep waters, mostly off the coasts of South America and Mexico. To catch jumbo squid, fishermen use large commercial vessels. After locating the massive schools of squid, fishermen then use specialized jigging machines to drop multiple hooks into the water. These hooks, equipped with shiny lures, mimic the movements of prey, enticing the squid to strike. In some regions, smaller fishing boats also join the action. Fishermen manually use large hand lines, each with multiple barbed hooks. As they feel the weight of a catch, they pull the lines with practiced skill to haul the squid on board. Jumbo squid fishing can be dangerous. These powerful creatures thrash violently when caught, and their sharp beaks can cause serious injury. Additionally, rough seas and unpredictable weather make the job even tougher. Jumbo squid are drawn to the bright lights. At night, powerful LED lights are turned on to attract them. After days at sea, the fishing boat finally approaches the harbor, loaded with freshly caught jumbo squid. Workers begin unloading the squid from the vessel's cold storage area. The large plastic crates filled with squid are manually moved, carefully stacked to prevent any damage. The squids may also be lifted using crane nets equipped with a built-in weighing system, allowing the crew to measure the catch directly as it's hoisted from the ship. Workers then load the cleaned squid onto refrigerated trucks and move them to the processing plant. At the processing plant, freshly caught jumbo squids undergo a thorough quality inspection to ensure size, texture, and freshness. At the filleting station, under a continuous stream of clean water from the spray system, workers skillfully remove the squid's skin, internal organs, and ink sacs. The workers then manually cut the squid to preserve its texture and aesthetic appeal and separate the squid into different parts, including the mantle and the tentacles. The larger squid pieces are thoroughly rinsed to remove any residual fluids and maintain cleanliness. The squid meat is then processed with advanced machinery to create uniform round cuts, ideal for packaging or culinary use. The round pieces undergo a thorough rinse to ensure any remaining debris or surface residue is removed. The squid rings are briefly blanched to enhance their texture and preserve freshness before further processing. The tentacles are briefly blanched to maintain their firmness and improve the texture for further processing. The remaining parts are also processed by cutting them into bite-sized portions, which are then packaged for various culinary uses. The processed squid is carefully packaged in various formats to suit market demands, ranging from whole pieces to pre-cut rings and tentacle clusters. The sealed packages are then moved to cold storage, preserving their freshness until they are ready to be shipped to markets worldwide.